Reclaim your life from nerve pain with Nerve Armor. Are you tired of nerve pain holding you back? Imagine a life where you can move freely and comfortably. Nerve Armor is here to help you reclaim that life. Nerve pain can manifest in many ways: tingling, burning, or sharp shooting sensations. It can significantly impact your daily activities and overall well-being. But there's hope. Nerve Armor is a carefully crafted blend of natural ingredients known for their nerve-supporting properties. It's designed to promote nerve health, mobility, and flexibility, helping you find relief and get back to doing what you love. Our formula includes potent antioxidants and nutrients that target nerve inflammation and support healthy nerve function. Experience reduced discomfort, improved mobility, and a renewed sense of well-being. Many have already experienced the life-changing benefits of Nerve Armor. They're enjoying increased mobility, reduced pain, and a brighter outlook on life. You can too. Ready to say goodbye to nerve discomfort and hello to a more active, fulfilling life? Visit our website to learn more about Nerve Armor and order yours today. Don't let nerve pain control you any longer. Take the first step towards a pain-free future.
Reclaim your life from nerve pain. Imagine waking up refreshed, ready to embrace the day without the burden of nerve pain. What if you could enjoy life's simple pleasures again? Nerve pain often stems from underlying issues that need addressing. We're going to explore a simple yet powerful trick that targets the root cause. This 5-second trick focuses on soothing, repairing, and protecting your nerves from the inside out. It helps squash those termite cells that contribute to nerve pain. Picture yourself sitting comfortably at dinners, bending down to play with your kids, or enjoying hobbies like golfing and gardening without pain. Friends and family will be amazed by your newfound energy. You deserve a life where you choose your activities, not nerve pain. More energy, a positive mood, and the confidence to try new things await you. Ready to experience this life-changing relief? Click the link below to learn more about the 5-second egg yolk trick and start your journey towards a pain-free, vibrant you. Don't wait, reclaim your life today. Conquer nerve pain with this simple trick. Are you tired of nerve pain controlling your life? Imagine a simple, 5-second trick that could change everything. Just like it has for thousands of others. Did you know egg yolks contain powerful nutrients that can support nerve health? They're packed with phospholipids, which are crucial for nerve cell function and repair. Many people have transformed their lives with this simple trick. Phospholipids help rebuild the protective coating around your nerves, reducing inflammation and pain. This can lead to improved nerve function and a significant reduction in discomfort. It's a natural way to support your body's healing process. Consider a supplement like Nerve Armor, containing concentrated egg yolk phospholipids. Dosage is simple, 1 to 2 capsules daily with a meal. Ready to take control of your nerve pain? Click the link in the description below to visit the official Nerve Armor website and learn more. If you've used Nerve Armor, drop your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health supplement reviews. Thank you for supporting us.